Minsan, ang pinakamagandang opportunity ay hindi yung pinakamura, kundi yung property na nakikita mo ang potential habang maaga pa. Over the past few years, makikita natin kung paano nag-evolve ang Solen Residences. From what was originally a 55-hectare residential community, ngayon ay na-expand into 57-hectare development, showing Greenfield's continuous investment para mas mapaganda ang community. Noong 2024, officially nilang binuksan ang Phase 1C extension, adding more residential lots para mas ma-accommodate yung growing demand. And today, ready for turnover na ang Phase 1C with only a few pre-selling inventory lots remaining. Then in 2025, nag-launch naman ang Greenfield ng Phase 1D extension, bringing another expansion to the Solen Residences community. Isa sa pinaka-exciting na development dito is the future entrance na nagbibigay ng mas convenient na access lalo na para sa mga homeowners na manggagaling sa Santa Rosa exit. Aside from that, magkakaroon din ng bagong clubhouse with additional amenities. Isang bagong space kung saan mas mai-enjoy ng resident ang kanilang time with family. Mag-relax, magkaroon ng magandang lifestyle experience. And the best part, hindi lang ito para sa mga homeowners ng Phase 1D. Lahat ng Solen Residences homeowners will also have access to this new clubhouse and its amenities. Dahil habang lumalaki ang Solen Residences, hindi lang nadadagdagan ang land area nito. Mas gumaganda rin ang accessibility, nadadagdagan ang amenities, at mas tumataas ang value ng community para sa bawat homeowners. Pero here's something na hindi napapansin ng maraming buyers. When Phase 1C extension was launched back in 2024, lot prices started at around 40 to 45,000 per square meter. Fast forward today, those same developer inventory lots have already moved up to around 50 to 59,000 per square meter. Depende sa location and specification ng lote. Meaning, in just 2 years, nakikita natin kung paano nag-move up ang value ng property. And the reason is simple. Hindi lang tumaas ang presyo ng Solen Residences. From 55 hectares ngayon ay naging 57 hectares na ito through the expansion of Phase 1C and Phase 1D. Pero ang tunay na value ng isang property ay hindi lang nasusukat sa kung ano ang meron ito ngayon. Makikita ito kung paano ito lumaki, nag-develop at nagiging mas valuable habang lumilipas ang panahon. At kung pag-aaralan natin ang growth ng developments dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, hindi na nakakapagtaka kung bakit patuloy na tumataas ang value ng mga properties sa area. Dahil habang mas nagiging established ang isang community, mas nagiging attractive ito sa mga homeowners at investors. Phase 1D is currently the latest and final expansion of Solen Residences. At sa ngayon, wala pang announce or plano para sa panibagong residential phase within the development. Ibig sabihin, limited ang remaining developer inventory. Kapag naubos ang available lots, ang magiging option na lang ng future buyer ay ang resale market, kung saan ang presyo ay depende na sa current homeowners, hindi na po sa developer. Kaya kung matagal mo nang tinitignan ang Solen Residences, di lang ito tungkol sa presyo ngayon. It's about securing an opportunity habang available pa ang developer inventory. At the end of the day, buying a property is not just about owning a piece of land. It's about choosing a place with the potential to create long-term value and become part of your life. Ang Solen Residences ay isang community na patuloy na nagde-develop through better accessibility, additional amenities, at mga improvements na nagbibigay ng mas magandang living experience para sa mga homeowners. At habang nagiging limited ang available inventory, mas nagiging valuable ang mga ganitong opportunities. Minsan, ang pinakamagandang opportunity ay hindi yung pinakamura, kundi yung property na nakikita mo ang potential habang maaga pa. And as Solen Residences continues to grow, mas nakikita natin kung paano nagbabago ang value ng isang community over time. Kung naghahanap kayo ng place na pwede nyong gawing future home or isang property na may long-term potential, I'd be happy to help you explore the opportunities available here in Solen Residences. I'm Bon Sitoy from Go Premier. If you want to know more about available lots, updated pricing, or schedule a site visit here in Solen Residences, feel free to reach out. My contact details are also available on your screen. Thank you for watching this Solen Residences development update. I hope this video gave you a better perspective on how this community continues to grow and why more buyers are considering Solen as one of their property choice. Again, this is Bon Sitoy. See you on my next property tour. God bless and see you soon.